If the CIBC mobile app is not working on your phone, start by checking your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Next, go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for CIBC and then swipe it away. Next, wait for a few seconds, then reopen it. If that does not help, restart your phone and to clear temporary glitches. Next, make sure that your app is updated. Head over to your app store, search for the CIBC app and then update it. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Then, if the app still does not work, go to your phone settings, open the app settings and clear cache on Android. Or on iPhone, you're going to long press on the CIBC app option, remove web, then delete the app. After deleting the app, go to the App Store, search for the app and reinstall it. After reinstalling, log in again and the app should work normally, and that's it. Subscribe for more.